Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at the MEP. So here we got our utility room. Probably should just call this electrical room because that's what's going on in this room. We've got cable tray here, and we've got motor control centers. We can take this here and look at this in elevation. So here in this view, we got some cable tray going above, and we've got our, let me just show this a shaded view, motor control center, and then we've got, I think this is a switch gear or something like that. But anyway, this is our equipment for our electrical room. And we've already shown a lot of cable tray here. So I'm gonna go back into this power plan view here. Okay, so now what happens is, what these guys do, they run the cable tray, this ladder, over the equipment. So here, got a situation where in this case, we need to feed these cabinets here. These are switchboards, so they need a lot of feed. So we're gonna just go in here and do a cable tray. We should be able to pick this up right here and just take this right through there. Okay. And we might go over here, depending on the segregation and things like that, okay? So I'm gonna drag this over just a bit. Boy, these are nice here. You can do this. Okay, now, but really all the real action is going on underneath. Because what happens is, in these instances, all the power is coming from the bottom. So I'm gonna go look into my 3D view here. So we need to get underneath here with some tray, or duct banks, what they would say. So let's go back to my power here. Let's go to level 1. I think the best way to do is to go to power level 1, and then we're going to do another cable tray. I hope this works. I don't know if it will. We need to get below the grade line here. So I'm going to go into north elevation. Oh, no, sorry, wrong project. My bad. We're going to go just here, and we're going to open this. So there's our, let me see, put this in fine view. Can't do that because that's a view template. Okay, sorry guys. So what happens here is, now we have this equipment, we got this elevation, there's our switch gear in that view, and then here we've got our motor control centers. So what's happening, we need to go underground here with something. So I need to go to my top of footing level, and I don't see it here. So what had to probably happen is I needed to copy it in, but I want to try something else. Go to power level 1. I'm going to go systems. I'm going to go cable tray. Elevation is 10. I'm going to my properties. 1. I'm going to make this reference level. Okay. So we're going to drop this guy down. Okay, anyway, let me just place a tray here. And I'm going to grab it. See if I can just drop this down to, let's make this minus 3 feet. And this minus 3. And okay. So now let's go into this elevation view, or any view here. So there's our tray. Okay, we're going to go minus. Sorry, I thought it didn't do negative. So here, -3, -3, make 0, 0. The idea is to get below grade here. There we go. So now, if I can see this in my other view, it would be great. Let's go back to the power plan. And no, I cannot see that. So what has to happen here, I need to create a level to see that in. But for the time being, geez, and do I want to go through that? But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I had a question about electrical and cable tray. So this is what happens. Like I said, all the equipment has to go over the tray. So in this bottom view here that I'm working on here, that I'm going to have to come in the next video, because really what has to happen is I need to create these levels for this one. We can sit in this view here. Nope, not that one. Yeah, there's our cable tray, but I need to create a level for it. Anyway, we can actually go here and really work it, so I can just go draw cable tray. This will go out here somewhere. And then here, like I said, all the action is coming from above. So I'm gonna see if I can do this. I'm gonna go, no, let's cancel that. So I can do this. Push that back. Can I do that? Yep. And I'm gonna go draw cable tray up to here. Actually, what happens is these are basically stub ups, and well, they can go. Sometimes you do this underground. So I'm gonna just push these up like that. Sometimes, but more or less, it's a stub up. And then we can also do multiple levels here. So I'm gonna go grab these guys, and I'm gonna go copy. Now here, the copy is 1'8". That's how much space they need between, and then we'll just sort of drag this one out here and extend this up that way. But anyway, guys, I had questions about cable tray and kind of what I'm doing at work, so I want to just do this quick little video about cable tray in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. So everybody be safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.